Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where you can find the new mesh top on Dress to Impress. So this is a new item. You're just going to walk here, and as you can see, there is this mesh top. And there are 3 toggles, 1, 2, and 3, and there's a thick version of it as well, just to make the lines a little bit thicker. You can also apply it to a female body as well. So let me just change it to this one again. And then I'll show you guys that you can use this for, maybe I'll add a top underneath. Maybe like this one. Then just go here and put it on. And ta-da, super cute. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best, that's horrible, to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.